Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we will look at the various operations with strings. Recall from our discussion on built-in data types, where we talked about the usage of quotes in strings, along with string concatenation and string multiplication. As in these examples, we understood how we can use single, double, or triple quotes to meet our requirements. We also saw that we can add two or more strings, as well as repeat the strings as many times we need. It is worth noting that a string that contains no characters is often referred to as the empty string, is still considered to be a string. It is simply a sequence of 0 characters and is represented by a pair of single, double, or triple quotes with nothing in between. Now let's focus on learning more of the string operations which are commonly used in Python programming. First, we will learn to index or locate an item in a string. Consider the string Audi car. Suppose we wish to see what is the character in 4th position. We can do that by writing the variable name to which the string is assigned, followed by 3 in the square brackets. We write 3 because, as we know from our earlier discussions, that the indexing in Python starts from 0. Similarly, we can extract the last character of string by writing -1 in the brackets. Take another example where we wish to extract the 3rd to 5th characters of this string. This can be done using 3:6 in the brackets. This is called slicing the string. Notice that the space is also considered here as a character of the string, so the output is I_C. Now consider aligning the string. For example, say that we want to left align or left justified this hello world string in a field of 20 width of characters. We can do it using the format function like this. So, we have here these 20 fields of characters, and this less than sign here will ensure that the string is aligned left in these 20 fields of characters. Similarly, we use greater than sign to right align the string. So now the string is aligned to right in these 20 fields of characters. Now for the string to be center justified, we do it like this. Now see that the string is positioned in the center. In this example, we have hello as left justified, followed by underscore, followed by right justified, world. Let's take one more example. First, we take a string. Now we can left, right, or center justify this string like this. Notice that we have taken 30 fields of characters this time. We can also slice the string, and then justify the characters of the string like this. So, this is how we can format and align the strings. Now let us see some commonly used built-in string functions. Consider we have this string. At first, we have the original string. If we want to know the length of the string, we use the built-in len function. This will return the length of our string. Next, let us index each character of this string and keep them in a list. So, first we use list function followed by enumerate function. This will index each character, and in this list we will have all the characters. Next, we count the occurrence of a specific character. Say O, we will simply use the count function, and inside the brackets we will specify the characters which we wish. If we use the index function, this will refer to the location when the character has occurred for the first time in our string. We can set the cases using .lower to set all the characters to lowercase, .upper for converting the string to uppercase, and using the swap case function, we can toggle the cases. That means, the lowercase characters will become uppercase, and the uppercase will convert to lowercase. Now notice that in this string we have spaces at the beginning and end. At times, we find cases in our daily lives. To remove such characters, we can use strip function like this. This will remove the leading and trailing characters. Another one is the replace function, which we use to substitute one or more consecutive characters in a string with another set of characters. In this example, we are removing the characters P in the string with letter L. Now the string appears like this. Next, let us see an example where we separate the words of the string. For this, we can use split function, which have spaces after each word as the default delimiters. We can also use the specified delimiters. For example, if we specify space as the delimiter, it will separate through the spaces. We see this differences in these two outputs here. Next, we can use the .join function to add merge characters into strings. Looking at this example, we first split the string through the spaces, and then use join function to combine the substrings into one using the specified characters. Also, finally, when we print our string, we see that the original string has not changed. This is because of the fact that the strings are immutable. These are the string functions which are commonly used. Do consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video, if not done yet. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.